In today's video, we're talking about how to track links in Google Analytics and how UTM Code will help you make better data-driven decisions. Let's go. If this is your first time watching, thank you and welcome. If you'd like to learn more about marketing strategy and marketing automation, hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. So without further ado, let's get into the training. Thank you for joining me on the training today, guys. The objective of the training today is to give you the tools you need to get richer Google Analytics stats that will help you make better data-driven decisions. So first of all, here's an example of a UTM tracking code. It would still include your normal URL as always, but it would have what they call UTM parameters added to the URL. To give you an idea of when this becomes useful, when I look at traffic that came from Facebook and people clicked on my website, which in this case is example.com, in Analytics, I'll only be able to see that it came from Facebook and that it was a referral, but I can't see more details on exactly where that came from. So perhaps when I'm building out links on Facebook as an example, I might have a purpose where I want to see the traffic specifically that came from post number 1 or post number 2 or my ad that I'm currently running or from my cover image. So this allows us to see unique insights that we wouldn't necessarily see if we didn't use UTM tags. In Google Analytics, you can see now if I go under all campaigns and I look at the top, you can see primary dimensions like campaign, source, medium, and then other parameters that you choose to set. So let's have a look at the UTM code structure and just understand what this actually tells us. The normal URL would always tell us where they are going. So the UTM source tells you where they are coming from. The UTM medium tells us how they are getting there. And then the last one, the campaign, tells us why are they going there, right? So now when we look at the same example that we did previously with Facebook, we can now see exactly how much traffic actually came from a specific post. So in this example, I've got the UTM source as Facebook. So that's where the visitor is from. And then I've got UTM medium, which is post 1, which gives me additional information on where that traffic is coming from, followed by UTM campaign, which is then June 2018, right? Okay, so here's another example. If you are pushing people from Facebook ads to a landing page, you might want to track elements on the landing page differently. So as an example, you would want to count how many website visitors clicked on the top button, how many people clicked on the green button, and how many actually clicked on an image. Right? So the way you'd set this up would be, again, the UTM source being Facebook, because that's where the traffic is from. And then the UTM medium would be landing page. And then the UTM campaign would be top button. Remember that these UTM sources and mediums and campaigns could be set up differently according to your needs. The most important thing to know is that this function exists and that it could be utilized to get better metrics to do better conversion optimization. UTM codes don't need to be manually typed out. There's actually a tool that exists that you can use, and I'm going to provide the link in the description. But this completely guides you in regards to how to define the URL that you want to output. After you've put in all the parameters, you will then be provided with a UTM link, and then you can use that on your website or on Facebook or wherever you want to track traffic from. This only works when you're pushing people to your website where you've got Google Analytics installed. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. Remember, if you found this content useful, hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And until the next time, ciao for now.